Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today, thanks to Seacoast House of Cars, we have their 1999 Ford Mustang 35th anniversary with only 35,000 miles. Now, what's odd about that is all of those things put together would probably be my favorite thing about the car and what makes it special. But it's not. Oh, come, we're not playing this game again, are we? Seriously? We're gonna play this game? I played this game with the Saturn Sky. There we go. Listen guys, I'm young, I don't know how this works, okay? Got it? That is the reason why it's special. It is Vortec Pro Charged, which Pro Chargers are centrifugal superchargers. Yeah. Upgraded shocks. That wasn't hard enough. There we go. That should be reverse. I'm just checking. Okay. I'm checking for when I put it away. So I've driven a Terminator Cobra, oh God, back in 2016, 2017, and now it's 2025, so it's been a hot minute. I've never driven a Pro Charged car before. Car Guy 1999 behind the wheel of a Pro Charged 1999 Mustang. You know, there was a point in time in my childhood where this was my dream car. Bright yellow Mustang convertible. But I couldn't pronounce yellow, so I called it Lello. I wanted a Lello Mustang. I still want a yellow Mustang, do not get me wrong. It's just, this is different. Settle into your idle. There you go. Good job, girl. Good job. It is just, oh, such a cool car. Never driven a car with pod gauges either. white Mustang. Blind spots are easy. Oh, this thing rips. Once you're cruising, I don't even know it's pro charged. Oh, my allergies are terrible. I've been in a convertible all day. This car. Brakes are good. There you go. Alright, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.